welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe and here's a recipe I grew up eating. Perfect as a side for burgers or if you just want a healthy flavor punch snack. Seasoned fries with vegan ranch sauce. Let's get into it. Preheat the oven to 450 and grab 3 to 4 smallish potatoes. No need to skin them. Begin cutting the potatoes into even sticks, just under ½ inch thick. A mandolin would help keep these sticks uniform, but I'm scared of it, so I'm cutting them by hand. Now in a small bowl, mix together salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, sugar, parsley, and celery seed. Add the potatoes to a mixing bowl and pour in the spices. Give it a good mix, or in my case, shake, until the fries are evenly coated. Lay the potatoes flat on a parchment-covered baking sheet. Make sure they are even and not overlapping so they cook evenly. Now into the oven they go for 40 minutes to an hour, stirring once or twice throughout. While those are baking, let's whip up a sauce to dip these bad boys in. Grab your trusty blender and throw in cashews, almond milk, and apple cider vinegar. Next goes a little lemon juice, dill, garlic powder, and onion powder. Blend on high a couple minutes until you have a smooth sauce. Our fries are nice and puffy, so pull them out of the oven, grab our ranch, and let's plate this dish. I'm gonna eat this one. You know, there's no oil in this whole thing, no fat in this whole thing. Like, tiny bit of salt, tiny bit of sugar, but other than that, like, it's just a good, healthy snack. And it's really good. Well, that does it for today. Let me know if there's any recipes you want to see down in the comments. If you're interested in any of your own saucy merch, we do have links down in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. They're fries. They got seasoning on them. Ranch is dippy.
Try again.